Justin Huhn. I'm the CFO of Roben Manufacturing. So Roben was founded in 1955 in Jersey City, New Jersey. Two individuals, Robert Montero and Ben Thorne, back out of a garage. I started out kind of growing up in my youth here. I was around the shop working with the equipment, fascinated by the welding, fascinated by the sparks, when I was in 5 to 16 years old. But never truly thought that I would be working here at Roben, otherwise owning Roben. Great. So we're a custom fabricator, a code pressure vessel heat exchanger, tank, column, and reactor shop for the pharmaceutical, petrochemical, food, drug, and defense industries. So I think what makes Roben stand out is really the people and the innovation that we have here. Really focusing on working within the constraints of the local economy to source talent, both direct labor as well as engineering talent in a difficult kind of post-COVID world.
Lane Baker, plant manager. Started in the United States Navy many years ago, gas turbine mechanic, got out of there and became a boiler expert because of that. Waste heat recovery was my specialty at that point. Got into the inspection industry with Hartford Steam Boiler and a couple of other companies I worked with as an inspector, and graduated to the level of nuclear supervisor. And I found Roben as a result of that, and started to branch out more into the management of things as opposed to just the supervision of things. In a word, it's demanding. There's a lot of things involved in building these things, and it starts with the ASME codes, which is a volume of 14 code books right now that cover about 6 feet of pages. And it's quite a challenge to be able to meet all of the requirements that are in there, which is probably one of the reasons that Roben chose me, is because of my experience with those code books. I used to be able to source chapter and verse and tell them what we need to go to find things. What makes Roben stand out, based on my experiences, is that they have the capabilities to do things here that nobody else does. They have some real old school machinery that really gets the stuff done. And when they bought those things, they didn't go for the one that was good enough. They went for, oh my God, that thing can do it. And there's some really cool machines back here that not a lot of people have, nor the people don't know how to operate them anymore. And finding parts for them, you have to make your own parts and just keeping things alive. That's what they're all about, is just getting it done. We can do things that nobody else can do.